Okay, here we go. Here we go. You got pictures?
And let's make a big round of applause to the Office of the Mayor. The Office of the Mayor, give them a big round of applause.
Hey, hold this, please. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And watch the show.
Hush. Hush. Can I see everybody without the music? If you're not drinking something, we'll get much in every glass. Come on. Come on. Everybody. I'm drinking.
Yo, Street 2 TV, yo, the UDM TV, Tuna Reed representing, yeah, Darcy Flask and Marcy. Modern vampires of the city, anti-blood, blood, blood.
The king of the dancer, put your two on the air, and now the welcome on stage, the criminal one women, the doctor, the doctor, the doctor.
Somebody say, welcome the guys. Let me see everybody want to listen to Beenie Man for a long, long, long. Now tonight is a different night. If you can't hear, you're gonna learn. Let me see everybody go say, hey! Me say woman if you're fed up with your boyfriend. Me say, why your boyfriend and the girl? Me say, woman if you're man now do your right. When it's a meal and a pipe right. When every night you come in. know the song like you play one time. Sing. Tell me what you want. Come on. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. What you want now? How much you need now? Hush. Now you don't understand. Let me see all the Beenie Man fans in there. Let me see all the Beenie Man fans in there. One. If you know, you don't know. But if you know, see. She don't really need a boyfriend. She don't really need a boyfriend. She don't really need a boyfriend. She don't need a boyfriend. Hush. For those who jump in the fence, stop. Please. It's our food. And they're going to turn off the show and I'm here to work. Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, you don't have people jump in the fence. You can't do that. Okay? Beenie Man came here to work. Beenie Man came here before. Please, let's act civil. Be nice to the police officers. Don't ruin it for the people that are outside. Don't ruin it for the people that are inside. Beenie.
Thank you. That's it. She don't need a car. She don't need a car. She don't need a car. If ever you're in my arms, stop. If ever you're in my arms. say beat it, you say man. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. When man say Zaga, you say Zaga. Some boy out the road on internet. Dancing in the party. The girl them. If you know, you know. But if you don't know, you don't know. But if you know, can you help me sing this part of the song? Holy, 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 Somebody give me a round of applause, please. Hey. Now, I'm going to take it old school. Can I do that? Can I take it old school? Like, old school. I'm going to go from 1994. here before them come here, let me stay with them. I mean, now this time the person beside you, wave the hand free. Wave the hand free, so, hey! Now if I can last me around, she find out, say, she just a girl like that. So you tell her, say, go on. Brooklyn, there be sick, so you think I have one. She gets you like a old man. The babies have to play everybody want it. That's got the box, so she gets you lost. Woman, if you don't want your husband, you have to put stuff to make the man stay. Some guy want to talk to you about them jealous. All that man them have girls from primary school and school them. All that man them have girls from basic school and school them. Hush! You have some man when them in a 10th grade them have a girlfriend. And them come tell me about jealous. And you see everybody will love themselves for you from one side. You see me? When you see me, they tell you this. Hey! Oh, well, alright. Hush. I decided to do the show because them said they're gonna keep it in Brooklyn. They said free. I said free, they said free. Here you are. Now, I sing the song long. I did this song with me and Lady Saw, but Lady Saw is not here. Ladies, can you be my Lady Saw? Ladies, can you be my Lady Saw? Hold on. She said, be the man, and I'm jealous. How you tell them? She said, bleeding, and I'm jealous. And you tell them, and you can't forget. Let me sing this one. Oh, God. But if you try to kiss my kids, if I try to kiss my wife, can I see everybody love their family? Let me see the way of one another. Everybody in family. If you love your family, can I see you just waving like this one? Waving like this one now? Fuzzy. But if you think that's how I am, I know we there. I am a fan. Machine, they are me now. And if you ever make me run, it's in my shirt. Why you have to run when you're here, like me? Because the cars and the yard. Believe me, man, the white out of all this shit. Let's do it. Tell them already, Rago, tell them again. Tell them already, Rago, tell them Brooklyn. Well, how would you feel if you wake up one what would you say if you're coming from dance and you're red? You hear a voice say, boy, no, yes, you're dead. And when you take a look, they say, oh, now. Pick up some bottle. Listen, you know, hey! Say, boy, I think of, hey! And them on the next day, I don't like money. And tell the boy, you think of, oh, them come this bad man. Every man want to live till them home. Every man want to live to place no control. And if they get to you, want to be a gangster road. But none of them no want to see you run up. Tell them already, I go tell them again. Tell them already, I go tell them again. Tell them already, I go tell them again. Them man. Hush. I just got one message to say. What will the policeman do if all the people should have children? If bad man decides the police in film, nothing that is clear can let all them go. That's all them dog when them damn man on the show. What I see them that is I get to you and ask them how they feel them when them friend them pump. Just to them a police them all have left side them. Some channel are broken and them shot them down. A bad man surround them with them one house and everybody, tell them already, Rago, tell them again. Tell them already, Rago, tell them again. Tell them already, Rago, tell them again. Them a. And somebody say, murderer. Murderer. A murderer. Hush. Hush. Can I see everybody who listen to music from 1992, 1994, 1995? Can I see a wave here and there like this? Sing. Let me hear it, Brooklyn. Let me hear it, Brooklyn. Come on! Brooklyn, I just want to say one thing. This man! Don't chop it over. But if you chop it this, it will bring it up. Her name is Maxie. A place is like a bunch of crowd. And if I ever tell you about Maxie, you wanna say I don't know what I one thing, some gyal a bleed. Everybody wanna be with me. I said this to Hush. 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 If you're not a dancehall fan, you're not gonna know what I'm saying. But everybody who loves dancehall music does what can. Sing memories of you see me? We love every artist in a dancer. But guess what? Hush. Sometimes none of them love me. I don't want nobody love me. That's who love me. See, if I'm the fan that love me, I do not give up. Why? Who don't take me not gonna have to work? One more thing. People don't like you when you're instrument. Everybody work hard for everything on rock. This one work on ourselves. We're not waiting for a barrel. We're not waiting for a handout. Everything we have are yours. I'm going to say everybody will love themselves. You never know what's up. Hey, big. Coming out, big. Coming down, coming down. But one thing I'm going to tell them, tell them, none of them faster than a bad life. None of them faster than a bad life. Whenever I got down, she used to smile. The girl is amazing for fun. I say that you want no, babe, no. It's alright. You know, sir, I was going to get a license in America. Hush. I know them tell me, sir, I have to keep the magazine over this way. I have to keep the gun over this way. Hush. Then suppose somebody just run up the pipe. So tell them something on that one. Let me see all the real Jamaican way for no one saying that. All Caribbean people, I care where you come from, just pay for one night. We don't want to tell them something I want it. You don't want to tell them something I want it. Look this! Me nah go separate from God. And if you say bad man, you will love me. Bad man. Let me see everybody who loves themselves. We don't want anybody there. Bad man, stay with me. We're going to stay with me. I got more to do. You want to grab a fish? You want to catch a kid? You want to cheese stick? You want to read it? What do you want? Everybody do this one time. Everybody do this one time. One time. Front, side, front here. Everybody hands up. You see time on this guy I wanna have a yard. Baby, you know say you have it. One man alone. Rock Hush! In these times of loneliness, let me see everybody waving one another. She wants to be like you know. She wants to be like you want your proper fit? You want to get your keys? You want a cheese stick? You want a remix? From the other take a place of boy. Hear the girls, hear the girls, hear the girls calling out. Just a minute. Can I see everybody do this one time? Everybody do this one time. One time. Front, side, right here. Everybody hands up. This is time this gal I wanna buy and baby, I know say I'm it. One man alone. Can I get a round of applause, please? I'm working it. Can I get some round of applause, please? Now, I just got to say one thing. Can somebody say one kid? Can somebody say one kid? Say one kid. What? Say one kid. This is what I'm saying. I love you people. But this is what I got to say. Can I see all the Beenie Man fans wave me up in the air? Let's do it! Pop the comfortable on this wall. And we sex them out to them. When I take a sex, sugar not stop. Pop the comfortable on this wall. And we sex them out to them. When I take a sex, sugar not stop. Welcome back me, welcome back me, welcome back me. Come here, me and Yes, I believe you can fly. Straight to the sky. Between them and you between them. We are Batman. I'm coming around it. If you and I have an could have no shine, but there's something that you reply. Fight your lips and come on. Back them on for the next one. And we step up to them. When I'm the perfect, but that's all. Welcome to me. Welcome to me. Welcome to me. I love you, Richard. Respect our manners and love my friend. Ladies, come on! Every guy's that way! Every guy's that way! Wicked boy, what's your now? We be running. Rocky, 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 don't time. Rocky, 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 don't time. Biggie, 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 don't time. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Rocky, 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 don't time. Rocky, 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 don't time. Biggie, 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 don't time. Give me that, give me that, give me that. I grade up and down, got nobody pound. I'm not coming. We have to show it. Are you ready?
DJ,
Yeah. Are you ready?
we got to show them why you are alone, you know. Walk to the dancing part of the segment. Watch it out, watch it out, watch it out. Let's show them some dancing. DJ, watch it out, watch it out. Get him on down, get him on down, get him on down, get him on down. Look, they never see you moonwalk yet. Watch it out. Can I hear some pressure? Pressure. Over there, sir. Wrong there, sir. Over there, sir. Over there, sir. Can I hear some pressure? She got to stop. Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hush. Can you do something for me, please? I'm working hard. Please, come on. Let me hear. Long time back.
Hush. Hush. For those who bad mind, it's not your turn. Now, I don't hate haters because the hater job is to eat. My job is to sing. If nobody not talk nothing about you, that means nothing is going on for you. When people talk smack about you, that means you're going on for you. Now everybody loves that style, but soon we have dance. One time. This is Brooklyn. I'm gonna start. To the organizers who organized this, thank you for inviting me, because I'm happy to be here. Pull up. Can I see all the mothers in the house? Can I see all the mothers in the house? All the mothers, every woman here.
All proud mothers, put your hands
all proud mothers,
all proud mothers.
You know
what?
You know one there tonight? You know one there tonight? You know one there tonight? You know what? All good mothers, get them loud and clear. Pick me now, hold you down. No man can tie you down. Oh, we can pop you down. Everyone them in the same house. Swear over that third. Pass, I got you saying nothing down. Let it go, yeah. My girl just now this is just one another person to the girl and one another. He's a man to a woman can have it. Before them someone change this finish. Someone can have enough and they can go. Straight, you know. Most water can't breathe ya. Pick me now, hold you down. No man can tie you down. Oh, I can't everybody here bad mind. We are the man, so. From one another. Big up all of the artists there. No man is an island. The only one is an island champion. Remember, so each one tell one. So it makes sense for Batman and it's true. True, I think I'm going to make some give me a mix. Mix. This. Come and tell us what I think you got now, man. We don't have anything. If I don't do it again, what is it now? I like it. What's everybody? When I'm beating the man, put one hand down at the ear. Everybody, when I'm putting my hand down, one hand down at the ear. When I'm started, one hand down at the ear. And we have done. People, whoever the sign up, give me a mix. Some boy, what you know, they do fast and they do so. Yeah, you need to start to come and stuff. But you know, they do fast and they do so. Yes, sir. Hush. Hush.
Yeah.
You want to do this? Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. Okay. You gonna do this?
Let the lady do it.
Okay.
Good night, everyone. I have the honor and the privilege of representing Eric Adams, New York City, to present an honorable baby man, the girls them shit up. We got up like you to the deaf, you to the handicap, to be of the man inside of you. We brought out some of the mayor staff from Jamaica, Hercules, from Guyana, Tunisia. I'm going to read a little bit of it.
Okay. Let's do this. It's not kind of good. It's a citation.
It says, after Beenie Man released his first hit single, Over the Sea, at just 10 years old, he has made more than 15 albums, including 1995 critically acclaimed Less, collaborated with other industry legends such as Janet Jackson, and contributed to multiple film soundtracks. Now, therefore, I, Eric Adams, Mayor of the City of New York, on Saturday, July 19, 2025, do hereby confirm this citation on Beenie Man.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to the one and only Beenie Man.
Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you for Thank you very much. Thank you very much to the city. Oh. Okay, here we go. You got pictures?
And let's make a big round of applause to the Office of the Mayor. The Office of the Mayor, give them a big round of applause.
Hey, hold this, please. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And
Get
once
back to the show. Hush. Hush. Can I see everybody without the music? If you're not drinking something, we'll get much in every glass. Come on. Come on. Everybody. I'm drinking. I'm drinking. Hold on now. Move it. I'm drinking. What? I'm drinking. Brooklyn, I want to say,